So how can you access websites in the Apple Watch? Let's talk about how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are so many tutorials coming up and already existing on this channel, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So there isn't any like Safari web browser, or there isn't any ability to get a browser from the App Store, but there are some things you should know about it. So you have the ability to open some links which get presented to you on the Apple Watch and use the integrated web browser. But those can only be triggered. For example, if somebody sends you and shares with you some link over iMessage, right? So if you have a link in your messages, perhaps you can even text yourself, the link, and you'll be able to click on it and open it up within this integrated web browser. Or a better method would be to just go to the Siri, like trigger Siri usually by holding down on the side digital crown button, and you'll be able to just ask some different things. Like if you ask for something specific, it will give you the links most likely from the internet, and you'll be able to click on it and start browsing the internet that way. So it's not very convenient, and obviously it's a watch, so it's not designed for the optimal browsing experience. But if you quickly want to access some websites, you can do that. Like you can tell Siri to open up like apple.com or whatever, and you'll be able to get there and start, browsing the actual website. It will work, you can even click around or go one page back or whatever, but as I say, it's still a watch, so the experience is not optimal for it. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know your experience below in the comments. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up to let me know. Subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.